Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about partial derivative. So now I will show you how to answer. We want to find partial derivative with respect to x. So that means x is variable and y is likely the number. So in this situation, when we do first derivative of this one, we will consider y just is the number in this situation. Now, first derivative of ln sy, we will have about sy in here, and we do first derivative of sy. The next one, if we do first derivative of e to the power of 2sy, we keep the same e to the power of 2sy, and later that we do first derivative of s, and we have y in here. The next one, we just do first derivative of 1 over s. So this one we have number 1. This one we have number 1. This one we have negative 1 over s squared. Y and y we simplify. And here is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.